Morning everyone. This is our next video regarding your safal exam preparation. In this video I have mentioned some previous questions also for your revision and some new questions are included. So please watch this video completely and like and share my channel. The first question in this video is the voice box is also known as. You all know the voice box is it is correction. The voice box is also known as larynx. This is our previous questions. We had already discussed these kind of questions. Sound is a kind of energy. The hearing range of, please check your knowledge also with that. Please try to give answers before me. Hearing range of human ear is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Pitch of sound is determined by pitch of a sound is determined by the frequency. Pitch of sound is determined by frequency. The frequency of subsonic sound is what do you mean by subsonic? Infrasonic and subsonic both are the same things. So the frequency of subsonic sound is less than 20 hertz. Answer option C. Next question 6th. Cochlea is a part of hearing organ. 1 hertz is equals to, next 7th question, 1 hertz is equals to 60 vibrations per minute. Question 60 vibrations per minute. We had discussed this. Sorry, due to some disturbance this happened. Here we were. Question number 8. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Sound in the audible range is called sonic sound. I had told you that sound below 20 hertz is known as subsonic sound. Sound in the range is also known as in audible range is called audible sound, or it is called sonic sound. Question 10. Speed. What do you mean by, what is the formula of speed? It is distance upon traveled time. Question 11. A pendulum oscillates 20 times in 4 seconds. Find its time period. So how will you find the time period of this question? Just see, if 20 times 20 oscillations, what do you mean by time period? Mean 1 second in one oscillation, what time it takes, that is called as time period. So we'll see that if doing 20 oscillation it is taking 4 seconds. So for one oscillation, what it require 4 upon 20 seconds. So when we'll solve it, we'll get the answer 0.2 second. Clear? So its answer will be 0.2 second. Question 12. Loudness of a sound is determined by, now focus on it. Loudness of a sound is determined by amplitude, and the pitch of the sound is determined by frequency. Okay. Question 13. The number of vibrations made by vibrating body in one oscillation, in 1 second, the number of vibrations produced in 1 second are known as frequency. Wherever you will see that vibrations and 1 second, just mark the answer frequency. Question 14. The maximum displacement of a body from its mean position. Again, number of vibration in 1 second is known as frequency, and the maximum displacement of a body from its mean position. Suppose it is a pendulum, its mean position, and the maximum displacement it is going, this maximum part displacement is known as amplitude. Question 15. The velocity of sound at 20 degrees Celsius is, so have to learn this, the velocity of sound at 20 degrees Celsius is 340 meter per second. Question 16. Sound is produced by, sound is always produced by vibrating objects only. If there is no vibration, then there is no sound. Next, question 17. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Vibration is also known as oscillatory motion. Frequency is expressed in, means what is the unit of frequency? Frequency is expressed in hertz. The number of oscillation per second, again, the number of oscillation per, see how many, what are the ways by which this frequency is asked. So it is wherever you see this per second, oscillation or vibration, whatever, you directly mark the answer frequency. Okay, so the number of oscillation per second is known as frequency of oscillation. Above dash decibel, the sound becomes physically painful. About how much decibel? About above 80 decibel. Above 80 decibel, the sound becomes painful. Now this is the last question of our video. When the amplitude of vibration is large, sound produces loud. Sound produces loud. So amplitude is related with the loudness, and frequency is related with the pitch of the sound. Okay, so more the frequency, more the pitch, more the amplitude, more the loudness. Okay, so these all are the questions. I think from this chapter these questions are enough to study, because more than this is not included in your syllabus. Okay, so please read all these questions carefully, learn all these questions. Your safal exam is going to become, it is starting from 8th, so please do good preparation for it. Okay, good day, have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all for your support.